So now let us create our folders. We're going to need a routes folder, models folder, and we are also going to need a controllers folder. Let's work on our first one. So the first thing we're going to work on right now is the user model. So let us create that. User. Let's see. User.js. We're going to need to require Mongoose. Okay. And let's create the schema. So const user schema. Our user is going to have, let's do email. Okay. Email. Type is going to be string. Required is going to be true. Unique is going to be true because we're going to be using the email as username. So no two users can have the same email. That's why we're setting it up as unique. Of course, we're also going to need a password. That type is going to be a string. Required is going to be true. It doesn't need to be unique. Okay, so that's pretty much all that we need for the user. Let's do timestamp is equal to true, and let's export this module. I'm gonna do mongoose model user schema, and that's about it for the user. For our contacts, now let's create our contacts. Contact.js. Let's, for the most part, let's just copy and paste the user. Let's say contact schema. Okay, and contact here. All right. So our contact, all right, our contact is going to have first name, type string, required true, no need to be unique, last name, type string, required, no, we're not requiring that. Okay, we're not requiring last name. Let's do organization, right? Organization. Type string, also not required. Let's do email, type string, not required. Phone number, type string, not required. Address, let's say street address. Address is going to be an object, so let's say street. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do it like this. This one is app num city. Let's do state. Actually, city needs to be lowercase here. State. Country. Let's call that postal. Okay. Postal for zip code, really. All right. And last but not least, each contact needs to have a user attached to it. That is going to be Mongo schema type, and the reference for that is going to be user. Okay. Yes, required true. Okay. So we've created our models. I'll see you in the next one.